Hey everyone, welcome back to Style My Sweets. Rebecca Jean here. Today I am bringing you guys what is going to be probably my very last Christmas DIY decor video, because I know a lot of you guys are probably mostly decorated for Christmas, but I did have just a few more things that I really wanted to share. So I'm going to share those with you guys here today, and also stay tuned because I have a whole bunch of Dollar Tree Christmas gift ideas and gift baskets, but also some that are not Dollar Tree, some using Amazon items and things like that, or other stuff that you can just pick up like locally in like a Walmart, Target, grocery store. So stay tuned because I do have a whole bunch of gift ideas coming very soon, but I did want to share these last few Christmas DIYs that I did this year with you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and let's get started.
Getting started, for this one, I'm taking a basket from Dollar Tree. These come in a variety of colors, including some gold ones. Let me know if you've seen those in your Dollar Tree. I've seen them online, but never actually in real life. So I spray painted this basket rose gold, and now I'm adding a Dollar Tree Christmas tree onto the bottom. Take off that little cap on the end of your Christmas tree, and then you can kind of nestle this right on into the bottom of the basket. I'm actually going to use the shorter side of the basket to be the bottom of our basket wreath, and I just used a couple pipe cleaners to tie that in there. Really super easy. You can go ahead and add some ribbon in here, whatever you like. I've got a piece of deco mesh. I'm going to use up this end of the roll from this white glittery deco mesh, along with also adding in some burlap ribbon. These are just some scraps of ribbon from Dollar Tree, and the larger one is from Walmart. I'm going to layer these in here, just kind of fold it over on itself and make two loops, leaving one long end, and then I just tied that off the pipe cleaner and tie it right in to the center of the deco mesh. And this just kind of makes like a nicely layered bow. Fluff up those little loops on the bow. You can also cut your ends of the ribbon kind of diagonally in toward the center, and that'll just kind of give you a little fishtail finish on there, kind of more of a boutique finish, I think. Completes the look. I also wanted to add this little glitter reindeer in here. This is from an ornament from Dollar Tree, and you can add in whatever kind of florals that you like, glitter berries, totally up to you. I feel like this is kind of country, rustic, glam, winter wonderland, kind of a combination of all those. Comment and let me know, what do you think this style of wreath would fit in with the best? But what I love about it is that it just gives you a variation of something that is kind of like a nice piece of wall decor or a front door piece of decor that is not your everyday traditional wreath. And it just gives you like a little something new and a little variety. And we are on to the next one. The next two are actually going to be ornaments. So for this one, I'm taking a round ornament. Again, this is from Dollar Tree. I just filled it up with one of the bags of the vase filler. My favorite one is this white and silver one. I think this is so pretty, and it's perfect for more of like a wintry, winter wonderland, glam, Christmas decor. I hot glued a little scrap of pine right around the top of it, and then you can glue or add on some berries if you want, or a few extra, save a couple of these balls and you could glue those on there. You can also add a bow. I got this 4-pack in Walmart for less than $2. I think these are adorable, and they're kind of this really pretty pink rose gold color, so I'm going to add one of those on here, and that's it. Super cute. The next one is kind of similar. For this one, I'm actually taking one of these teardrop shape ornaments, and I'm going to fill it with pearls. Now, I have a variety of pearls. Some of them are from Amazon, and the rest are all from Dollar Tree. So I think it looks nice to have a variety. Dollar Tree does have a variety, so you can just use those. They're just a little bit smaller, so if you want some bigger ones, you can get some on Amazon. This can get a little heavy, so I only filled the ornament about halfway up, and then I did use hot glue around the top of the ornament before I stuck the cap back on, just for some extra support. You don't want this to fall. You're going to have beads and pearls going everywhere, so I highly recommend adding a little glue to really secure this. Some leftover mums, a few of the green pieces of leaves, and another one of these bows, and I think this turned out really cute. It's like so feminine and floral, and it's just perfect for glam Christmas for sure. On to the next one. This is like a really simple, super easy DIY. It does not get easier than this, but I think it's so cute. I just had to share it with you guys. All I'm doing is literally taking some baker's twine. You could also take some of this ribbon rope from, I believe it was from Hobby Lobby. I got it 50% off and it was only about $2.50. So that is a great deal for 30 feet. And this is really pretty stuff. But if you don't want to do that, you can get this in Dollar Tree and get some baker's twine. They had a whole big bunch of it here just for $1. Super good deal. And that's what I'm going to use today, along with a pack of these little gingerbread cutouts. They're kind of sparkly, really pretty and fun. And then I've got 3 bags, and these are so cute because these bags have little raised gingerbread houses that you can carefully peel off. They're kind of like stickers, I guess. They're stuck on there with kind of like a double-sided tape. I'm just going to be alternating the gingerbread houses and the gingerbread people and use a little hot glue on the backs and line these up. I spaced them out about every 2 inches or so. And honestly, for $4, this made a garland that's like 12 feet long. It's so cute. You can hang this anywhere in your home, and it's definitely super fun for the kids at Christmas time. There's so many options. This is just really cute, and I have a fun surprise coming for it, but I cannot share it with you guys yet. It is a surprise. I'll be sharing it over on Rebecca Jean later in the week or next week, so stay tuned, and that will be up soon. Now, for my last one, I'm taking one of these willow wreaths from Dollar Tree, and this one you could totally do with Dollar Tree florals or glitter branches, whatever you have. For this one, I'm actually using branches that I have left over from, I don't know, I got them a few years ago, I think, and they're just left over from my Christmas decor, and I have not used them. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to just go ahead and make a wreath out of these. By sticking the ends of these branches into the willow wreath, I used pipe cleaners to tie everything into place and tie it tightly just to really anchor the branch onto the wreath. I also wanted to add a bow, and for that I started out with this just by folding the ribbon back and forth to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, folding it over itself, and then pinching it in the middle and tying that off. You can pull the 2 loose ends down and then fan out your left and right loops to make the sides of your bow. Super duper easy. However, I ended up opting to add red into this wreath. I ended up using one with the red poinsettias. It's the same thing. It's that like glitter tulle ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I also used this other one with the snowflakes, the red and gold and the burlap. I thought this was really pretty. This roll was $2 at Dollar General. And I just layered these 2 bows in here and added a couple of leftover ornaments into the center. Really simple and easy, but I think it turned out really cute. I did want to incorporate a little red throughout the wreath, which you can do by adding in some little red bows or little red ornaments, or like what I'm doing, you can cut some pieces from these red glitter picks and branches that Dollar Tree has, and then I just kind of stuck those in and glued them in place as well, and they just added that nice little pop of red. The last thing was taking a pipe cleaner, and I tied that into the back of the wreath to really just tightly twist it around and make myself a little wreath hanger so that I can hang this out in the front door, or what I'm probably going to be doing is actually hanging this on the door that's in our dining room. So that concludes the DIYs that I had to share with you today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I hope you will comment and let me know which one was your favorite, and consider subscribing before you go. As always, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I can't wait to see you soon in my next video.